Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's show. My name is Oliver. I'm an English lover, but I'm also an Islamic converter. And now I will make a dish called Halal cooked chicken wing. And what will happen? Let's check it out. And this dish's ingredients including this is cassia bark, peppercorn, anise seed, and this is mirshia. The most important is the chicken wing, and this is green onion and ginger. This is two kind of soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce, and this is the dark soy sauce. This is Coca-Cola. And the first step, we need to wash the chicken wing. To wash the blood off, because we cannot eat the food with blood. Second step is we need to cut on both sides of the chicken wing. That will easy to make the ingredient and the herb, the flavor into the chicken wing. We need to boil the water until it gets 100-degree temperature. And then we need to take the chicken wing into the boiled water to make sure the blood out. And make sure the chicken wing is bloodless. Don't boil the chicken wing totally. First, we need to cut the green onion into strips and cut the ginger into slices like this. This is the ginger and this is the strip onion. Okay, and now we need to take the peppercorn. Fry it first, because after frying it will become bitter, so we need to take it out first. When we make sure the oil is hot enough. Yeah, I think now the oil is hot enough. You can smell the flavor, the peppercorn flavor, and then you see the peppercorn get dark. It means this is okay. And then we can take it out, because after frying and it will become bitter. So when you taste it, and it will affect your dish's flavor. Take the aniseed and this cassia bark and the mirshia first, because the ginger and the onion is easier to get overcooked. And then you can smell the flavor, and then take the ginger slice and the onion, then onion strips into it. I think it's okay. And we take the chicken in it. after, before you take the chicken wing with, you need to make sure every chicken wing gets dry, because if it's red, it will be very easy to scald you. And then please dark soybean sauce, give it some color. And then this light soybean sauce is more salty than the dark one. And then we take the Coca-Cola.
Few moments later.
And then when the soup get boiled, and we just turn down the fire and put the lid on, and then wait about several minutes.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now it's finished. Let's see. Okay, and let's taste it. It's very soft and full of the Coca-Cola flavor and hints of the ingredients taste. Pickle.